Alright, let's try to be a quick video on this. This is the Fisher-Price 826 cassette player. It's one of those kids' cassette decks from the 80s. I took the guts out. I wired up an output jack to the speaker, an input jack to the cassette player head. I still don't have real power going to it. I did put an off-board pot because the pot that was on there was not working very well. It was working fine, but it was the wrong value, and even with a 100K pot, still the wrong value. I'm putting 6 volts through it because it's a 6-volt circuit. I'm using a Lionel transformer because that's what I have laying around, and this thing is still loud. So this is at 6 volts, and you're running through, you can't see it, but that amp that's on is a Gibson RVT 30, something like that. I don't have a clean signal because this is not an A bypass, so I'm going to turn off the guitar. And there is literally, like, that's the volume on the pedal all the way off. This is me just touching it a tad. It doesn't take much. This thing is just loud. The voltage down to 4. That's about the most it'll go down to. And that if I go below 4, that happens. So that's if I roll off on the volume on the guitar, it cleans up. It cleans up a lot. And the guitar I'm using is just a Kiesel with humbuckers in it. I'll turn this up a little bit more. The pedal, that is. It's still at 4.8 volts. I'm going to move the power up to about 6 again. And I think the hum is because it's not in a case, so everything's out in the open. I had it in a case before just to test, and it sounded a lot cleaner. So that's with the volume on the guitar rolled down. If we roll it up, anyway, yeah, that's what this thing is. So obviously it still needs to be worked on. It needs a case, but it's doing it. It's definitely sounding like something. Like I said, I think it sounds a lot better when you bring the voltage down to around there. And it almost has a nice sizzle to it. I like that. So, anyway, We'll go from there.